Alright guys, so today I'm going to describe how I deal with MealyBugs on my potted cactus plants. You see that guy hiding in there? And I didn't see him either until I got him under a magnifying glass, and there's plenty of other bugs on this plant. I'm going to show you how I deal with these guys today. Alright, so this is my Awada airbrush. You can use any type of airbrush you'd like for this. I'm a bit of a nerd, and I use it to paint models, usually. And right now I'm building a Millennium Falcon model, as you can see on my wall here, and this is one of the airbrushes I'll use to paint that. But anyhow, what I'm going to do is fill this up with alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to use very light air pressure to spray rubbing alcohol onto the cactus. I'm going to get under all the spines, at the base of the cactus. I'm going to get into any little cottony areas. That's where the mealybugs love to hide, is under these little cotton areas. And I'll do this, once a day for the next 2 or 3 days until I can't find any more mealybugs. I'll even come back to it after about a week and make sure that nothing else is returned. And I'll go over all the other plants and that are infected. But I find this is a really good way of doing this. I don't like using Q-tips because I always leave behind cotton and stuff gets stuck on the spines and thorns. And I've even had cases where I've broken where I've broken spines off of the cactus. I don't like doing that, but I find this to be really effective. And if you have an airbrush laying around, I suggest you try to use it. You can see at the top of the cactus there, the mealybugs have already kind of damaged this plant a little bit, I think. But hopefully it'll grow back and be healthy in the next couple months. All right, thanks for watching.